Design. The EcoSport rides on the old Global B car platform and shares a lot of parts with the 6th generation Fiesta. Therefore, the suspension setup is rather simple, with reflex in a pretty firm ride. On the other hand, the car is easy to drive and pretty maneuverable thanks to the short wheelbase. Interior. The same thing is the interior design. The dashboard clearly shows its age, with outdated shapes and low-rent materials. The wool cabin is wrapped with hard plastics and similar materials, and that does not refer to the base version only, but to higher trim levels as well. Still, higher trim levels come with a few upgrades, including a touchscreen interface with a more modern SYMC3 infotainment system, which is pretty intuitive and easy to use. Engine. The 2023 Ford EcoSport will continue with just one engine option. That is a good old 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 engine, which puts out around 166 horsepower and 149 pound-feet of torque, which is enough for decent performance at least around town. 2023 Ford EcoSport release date and price. The 2023 Ford EcoSport will remain one of the most affordable subcompact crossover. The cover model starts at around $22,000, but we are pretty sure that dealers will be giving additional discounts in the future.